In this video, we'll explore the powerful combination of Python and Quaternions, a mathematical concept that can revolutionize AI engineering. Let's dive in. Quaternions are a mathematical tool that can represent rotations and orientations in 3D space. When combined with Python, Quaternions become a powerful tool for AI engineers. Quaternions are four-dimensional numbers that consist of a real part and an imaginary part. They're used to represent rotations and orientations in 3D space. Quaternions are so powerful for AI because they offer efficient and accurate ways to perform calculations involving rotations and orientations. Python provides powerful libraries and tools that make it easy to work with Quaternions. This allows AI engineers to leverage Quaternions' capabilities in their applications. To get started with Python and Quaternions, you'll need to install the necessary libraries, import the Quaternion module, and create and manipulate Quaternions. With Python and Quaternions, AI engineers can build powerful applications in various domains. Let's explore some real-world applications of Python and Quaternions in AI. Quaternions are used in self-driving cars to represent the orientation of the vehicle and track its movement. In robotics, Quaternions are used to control robotic arms and manipulate objects. In virtual reality, Quaternions are used to track head movements and create immersive experiences. Python and Quaternions are a powerful duo that can revolutionize AI engineering. By leveraging their capabilities, AI engineers can build cutting-edge applications that solve complex problems. The future of Python and Quaternions in AI is bright. As AI continues to evolve, Quaternions will play an increasingly important role in developing innovative solutions. To learn more about Python and Quaternions, explore the resources available online. You can find tutorials, documentation, and code examples to help you get started.